Hi folks, it's your island girl, Chef Raquel Fox, here for another segment of Island Girl, Gurl Food TV. Today, in this beautiful sunny weather, we are going to make my famous family authentic jerk chicken. Did I say sunny weather? Who am I kidding? Let's be real, it's winter and it's -1 degrees. But my family want jerk chicken, and that's how I roll. The neighbors might think I'm losing my mind, but when it's time to have jerk, it's time to have jerk, regardless of the weather. So here we go. So I've cut up one whole chicken into quarter pieces, and we're going to season it with my seasoned salt mix. Make sure get the season on both sides of the chicken. And then we have all of our prep ingredients ready to go in a bowl of a food processor. Half an onion cut in half, an inch piece of ginger, 6 cloves of garlic. We're going in with a cup of green onions, 1 bay leaf, 2 tablespoons of thyme leaves, make sure it's fresh, a quarter cup of allspice berries, 3 Scotch bonnet chilies for spicy jerk rub, 1 tablespoon of the seasoning salt mix again, and a quarter cup of red wine vinegar. Also, we can't forget our browning, 2 tablespoons, and we're going to just puree. After pureeing, we're going to reserve a cup of this rub to later make a jerk sauce for reinforcement. Prepare your hands with food-safe gloves and rub the jerk spices all over the chicken. Make sure coating both sides. You may now place this in a refrigerator to marinate for 1 hour. So here, folks, I'm making jerk with both charcoal and I have smoked cherry wood chips. The charcoal is ready when it's white, and this is gonna call for an authentic flavor jerk chicken. Sizzle, sizzle. You could just smell those herbs and spices already resonating through the neighborhood. I seem to have a little audience around, but it's all good. And now I'm bringing real jerk back by slow smoking this chicken at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 2 hours. Add 1 cup of water to the 1 cup of reserve rub, a half Scotch bonnet chili, 1 teaspoon of dark brown sugar, and a half cup of ketchup. And we're going to stir and bring this to a boil. We're going to simmer for approximately 10 minutes until it coats the back of a spoon. And our jerk sauce is ready for basting. And here we have it, ladies and gentlemen, Jamaica's authentic jerk chicken recipe. I'm so lucky to have inherited this recipe from my family, and now I'm sharing it with you. I've also taken the liberty to make a side of Jamaica's rice and peas, and when you guys make this, please think of me, your island girl, Chef Raquel Fox. So if you like what you've seen, please hit that subscribe button, like, and go on the link if you would like to see the recipes on my website. And don't forget, when it comes to Caribbean cuisine, no one does it better.